Hi guys, welcome to Yoga for Beginners class. Today I'll be showing you an amazing routine to get the blood flowing through your body, clear your mind, and set the tone for a perfect day. So we will begin by coming into a comfortable seated position on a mat that allows you to settle in for your practice. Make sure nothing is on your lap except for your hands. Now go ahead and close your eyes. Without trying to change anything, begin to notice the depth of your breath. Do so by noticing the area between your upper lips and nostrils. Notice how your breath feels cooler when you inhale and warmer when you exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale it all out. Deep breath in and exhale it all out. Deep breath in and out. Keeping your eyes closed, start moving your fingers and toes. And whenever you're ready, lead with your heart and come to a tabletop position. Taking the time to get there and not rushing yourself. Place the palms underneath the shoulders, knees under the hips. Inhale, belly falls down, shoulder rolls up and gaze up at the sky. Exhale, round your back, draw the navel up and gaze at your navel. Inhale, shoulder up, belly down. Exhale, round your back, navel up to the sky, curve your belly. Inhale, shoulder up, belly down. Exhale, round your back and curve your belly. Neutralize your shoulder by doing a couple cats and cows. On your next inhale, lift your right arm up to the sky, opening the chest. Exhale, pull belly to spine and draw your arm underneath you. Resting on your shoulder, your head can come to the floor. Inhale, lift your right hand back to the sky to bring you up and out. Inhale, lift your left arm up to the sky. Draw your arm underneath you and resting on your shoulder as you exhale. Inhale, lift your left hand back up to the sky to bring you up and out. Now neutralize your shoulder again by doing a couple cats and cows. Now send your hips back to your feet and come into a resting pose, child's pose. On your next inhale, curl your toes, shoot your hips up to the sky and gaze at your navel. You can pedal your knees here, drop your head, shake it side to side. Try to let it all go. Find a little moment here to connect to your breath and to your floor. We'll stay here for 3 more breaths. Look at the top of your space and gently walk both your feet together and come to a forward fold. You can bend your knees here or grab the back of your calf On your next inhale, press your hands into your shins with your back parallel to the ground. Exhale to fold forward. Inhale, raise your arms above your head and drop your shoulders. Grab your left wrist with your right hand and bend to your right as you exhale. Inhale back to center. Grab your right wrist with your left hand and bend to your left. Inhale back to center. Exhale, take a gentle back bend and come to a forward fold. Now spread your feet as wide as your mat. Gently rock side to side. Inhale, slowly come up to a standing. Exhale, gentle back bend. Hands to a prayer, palms facing each other into Namaste. Slowly and gently come and lie down on your back into a final pose for today. Shavasana. The space is here for you as long as you need it, but if you're ready to guide it out, slowly come up on sitting nice and tall. Bring the hands to your heart center and keeping your eyes closed. Thank you for taking out the time today to come join me in today's practice. The light in me sees the light in each and every one of you. Sending out this wonderful energy we created to all beings everywhere. Namaste. If you want to be able to create a lifestyle that is not only stress-free but also fat-free and healthy, then click subscribe and I'll bring you various easy ways that will allow you to live your best life.